Hi guys, and thank you Gulzat for giving me the opportunity, another chance to show up on your channel. And today I'm gonna answer the Gulzat's questions, another Gulzat's questions, and I'm so excited about it. So let's get started.
You are going to start your work as an online tutor, right? And why do you want to be an online tutor?
Yes, I'm going to be an online tutor. Actually, I never thought to be an online tutor because I prefer to teach offline in the classroom, like a real and physical classroom, because I like the interaction person to person and I love to be engaged with my students. But when the opportunity came, I said, why not? So I want to try it, and maybe I can be more creative and I can work from anywhere I want. Also, I can meet students from all over Indonesia, and this is so interesting for me.
You are learning German. Why did you choose German?
Yes, I am. I'm learning German too. Well, I always wanted to go to Germany since I was 13 years old, and to be honest, I have no particular reason for that, why I like Germany, because I don't know, I believe in myself and I just believe that if I go to Germany, so it's a good country to work and study and living. So yeah, that's my dream country, Germany. I really want to go there. Maybe I will join the Ausbildung program. And by the way, my German is still, the beginner level. It's probably A1 level, and I just can say wie heißt du? Ich komme aus Indonesien. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Even maybe I did a mistake with the pronunciation, and it's okay because I will learn and learn and learn until I can be fluent in German.
Gita, what is your best piece of advice to study English?
Okay, based on my experience of learning English, when you want to prove your fluency, of course you have to speak a lot. Like, you can speak to yourself, you can record yourself and listen to it, and then do a correction and then repeat it again. Record it again. Just don't remove your previous video because it can be your track. You want to watch your progress, and that's the good idea, to start recording yourself talking English and then watch it again and correction and repeat it the steps. And then second is listening. You can't speak fluently without you start to listen to native speaker. You can start with podcast or YouTube video without the subtitle. Maybe if you start to feel hesitate to yourself, you can go to YouTube video or the movie or the series that you like. You can try to do shadowing technique. You can speak while the native speaker is speaking at the same time, and it has helped me to improve my pronunciation. Okay, I'm sorry, I've been talking too much. My point is, because this is a piece of advice, my point is you have to be fun. You have to enjoy your lesson, because if you can't enjoy, you will get bored and then you will stop learning. So the first thing, you have to be fun and find another resources that can make you happy. Learning languages, you can do anything, even if it's a song, it's a movie, or it's just a story, as long as you have fun. And don't stress, because sometimes it can be so frustrating, but it will be paid off at the end. Okay, that's the last question from Gulzat that I have to answer. Thank you guys for listening to me, and I hope I can meet you guys in another time. And I'm so sorry, maybe I look like a nervous person, because yes, I am. Because I rarely record myself and go to YouTube platform like this. So, but thank you so much guys, and I hope I can see you again. Stay healthy and keep spirit. Don't give up, okay? See you. Thank you, Gulzat.